Hello everyone, myself Shama Shah, and today in this lecture of mine I am going to talk with you about the commerce stream. Actually, choice of a stream after 11th standard is a major landmark in life, as you will now be on the path towards forming your future career. But many a times it becomes very difficult for the student to choose a particular stream, especially in today's situation where we all are under lockdown. It becomes more difficult to choose the school, stream, and subjects, as we cannot meet our teachers and others to get the guidance. And here it is an initiation from Shri Vashisht Vidyalaya, so that students and parents will get a proper guidance so that they can choose a particular stream. Shri Vashisht Vidyalaya is a place where students are achievers. We have already started with the online classes, counseling, and admission also. You can go to the following link for the filling of admission form and the website to see the portfolio of school. Students, after 10th, generally you are having three major options: arts, commerce, and science. And in this video, I will discuss with you about the commerce field and the subjects which you are going to study in commerce. But before that, let's see which are the major fields where commerce are applied. They are banking, trading, and business. Commerce is applied everywhere, and because of that the importance of commerce subject has increased a lot in this particular years. In commerce you will study three main subjects. They are business studies, economics, and accountancy, along with English, and you will be having one optional subject, maybe information practice, physical education, or mathematics. These are the three optional subjects which Vashisht Vidyalaya is offering to their students. In business studies, you will learn how a businessman manage the business, what are the principles they follow, how they manage the services and goods of the business, warehousing, its trading, etc. In economics, you will learn how the import and export within the country as well as outside the country is done, how economic policies are made, and how these economic policies affect the economy of a particular country. And even you will learn how per capita income of a particular country is calculated. In accountancy subject, you will learn that how account of the different form of organizations are prepared, maybe a sole proprietorship, maybe a partnership firm, joint Hindu family, maybe a cooperative society, or a joint stock company. Students, the fields which are related to commerce are vast, but we can divide them majorly into degree and post-degree courses as well as some professional courses. So first of all, let me explain you which are the degree courses available in commerce. They are Bachelor of Commerce, Bachelors of Business Administration, Bachelor of Economics, Bachelor of Accountancy and Finance, Bachelors in Banking and Insurance, which is one of the most developing field nowadays, and next one is Bachelor in Financial Market. There are some more other degree courses as well, but we have discussed here only 6. Now, some professional courses are Chartered Accountancy, Company Secretary, Cost and Management Accounting. Student, as these 3 professional courses are very famous, you must be knowing about these courses and their scope. Now, this was all about particular commerce subject, but now I will talk about only accountancy. Accountancy in 11th and 12th standard will make you understand the basic concepts of accounting. You will be able to learn how accounting is done. You will learn the theoretical framework of accounting, the process of accounting, how the sole proprietorship final accounts are prepared, and even how the financial account of a partnership firms are prepared along with the company's accounting. You will also learn how financial statement analysis are done by the managers and promoters. So in 11th standard, we will only concentrate on financial statement of sole proprietors, and we will also learn that how computers can be very helpful in preparing your financial accounts. Now, the topics which you are going to cover are the following: journal, ledger, accounting equation, subsidiary books. You will also learn rectification of error, bill of exchange, bank reconciliation statement, how the depreciation on assets are calculated, and how the financial statement of sole proprietors are prepared by using computer accounting. Student, actually whatever subject you are going to study in commerce are quite different from what you have studied till 10th. If you would have taken science, you will be familiar with physics, chemistry, maths and bio. But here, these subjects, that is business studies, economics and accountancy, you have not studied ever before. So, let me tell you that these subjects are quite easy and you will not find it at all difficult to study. In 11th standard final accounts, you will learn that how a sole proprietor prepare its trading and profit and loss account, and through that they will find out the gross profit and net profit of a firm. Students, you know very well that each and every businessman ever want to find out the what profit they are earning and what is the profitability of their organization, and preparation of final accounts help them to find out the profits of their organization. You will also learn how a sole proprietor prepare their balance sheet, in what form they present their liabilities and asset in the balance sheet, and how balance sheet reveals the financial position of a organization. This is not only a theoretical knowledge, it's going to help you a lot in your even daily routine life along with your business. Students, I hope we all will make a great time together and I will help you to learn the accountancy. And you don't forget that if you want to register in our organization Shri Vashisht Vidyalaya, then you can apply on http://vashisht.ac.in/1993/2.